Are you tired of big city living, paying rent that is basically a mortgage payment? This downtown 2-bedroom Kelowna condo is perfect for first-time homebuyers.
All is well, and all your worries wash away like the rain. Well, there's something about the mountain air they say is good for your soul, and I say home is not a place, it's where your heart feels its most whole.
For under $700K, you get lake views, a rooftop pool, that downtown energy, and a lifestyle you just cannot get in the big city.
I've been blurring lines, feeling anxious, I suppose.
Thinking of moving to Kelowna? Send me a DM.
Open eyes, I know